Welcome back to Excel with Mark, and today we're going to be looking at how we can quickly sum different rows and columns. So say we wanted to add up all the different rows here for all the different quarters for how Mark sold within a particular year, or if we wanted to add up a whole quarter for a particular team, how and what is the fastest way that we can possibly do this. So it's nice and easy as this one. We want to click down into the cell C11 here where it says total. From here we want to have the home selected, and then we're going to go across and click auto sum. At this point we can see that all this column here has been highlighted, and down at the bottom we have the sum of the C3 to C9. If we want to change this reference, we can go to the top right hand corner here, and when we get the little arrows we can click and drag that up and down as we need to do. At this point here then we're able to just press enter, and we can see that we have the sum for that total column there adding up to 28,000. At this point, if we wanted to move along the different columns, we could click into it and then down into the bottom corner here and just drag that along to see all the different columns there and how they would add up. Again, same if we wanted to do this for the rows. So if we wanted to see this for an individual person, so say Mark for the year, we could click up into G3 here, go into home, and then the auto sum option again, and we can see that it's now highlighted that entire year for Mark. Pressing enter again at this point, and then we can drag that down like so. And there we have all the yearly and all the team totals for each quarter. Nice and simple. If you want to do this even quicker though, if you are in the shortcuts and pressing things a little bit faster, but you don't mind adding an extra cell down here, what we can do is select the data here and select all the way down. From here we're able to press Alt and equals, and we can see that nice and quickly it just puts everything in for us, but that automatically assumes that we have all the data right and that everything is going to work out exactly how it is, as it just adds across the row and it adds down the column straight away, putting in the end data into that last kind of cell that it has empty and adding everything up for you in a oneer. So hopefully that's nice and easy for you, and hopefully that little shortcut makes things life a lot faster for you. But thanks a lot for watching, and we'll hopefully see you again soon.